previous lecture, we have talked about the impact of technology in the workplace. We have seen how it has changed the way traditional workplace used to work. It's up to the business leaders to keep it up with its evolving pace in the most efficient manner. Business owners cannot afford to compromise their company's productivity, profitability, and security. By implementing new technological solutions and facilities, management softwares, business leaders can ensure optimal profitability and productivity in their modern workplaces. First, and the foremost, technology affects the firm's ability to communicate with the customers. In today's business environment, it is necessary for employees to interact with clients quickly and clearly. Websites allow customers to find answers to their questions after hours. Fast shipments allows businesses to move product over a large geographic areas. When customers use technology to interact with business, the business benefits and better communication creates a strong public image. Hi, I am Lavinder Kaur and I welcome to another session on impact of technology in business communications. So we are going to talk about how technology is reshaping the modern workplace. It's changing the way business communicate. Technology has changed the way people used to communicate in the modern workplace. The arrival of smartphones, social networking sites, chat apps has brought communication to a new level. Communication among the employees or management to subordinates or management to management has become fast, instantaneous, more deliberate, collaborative and unified. You can send emails, texts or video chats or even video conferencing with subordinates or superiors through social networking apps. With the help of technology, you no longer need to be present at your workplace every time. You can engage in another important work outside the office and keep in touch even face-to-face with your colleague at the office through video chats and conferencing. Technology keeps you fully organized. Technology helps in keeping the business fully organized. Systems like project management software helps in building, delegating, reviewing and accessing a task. Employers and managers can easily supervise workplace activity that help in keeping everything on track. It fixes the responsibility, accountability, efficiency and time delivery of tasks assigned to people. In modern workplaces, has now many innovative products and softwares to increase the workflow and boost the efficiency. The project management systems or the software help to improve the quality and quantity of work and also helps in risk assessment by providing a red flag every time a task gets off track that might lead to project failures. Space management softwares help keep your workplace organized, which results into improved space utilizations. Advancement in technology has made business operations more productive. Business nowadays rely on business productivity softwares that provide many tools to overcome the challenges of executing on strategies every day. It enables managers more easily track progress during every phase of goal completion and offer immediate reinforcement or coaching to keep performance and deadline on track. This is another example of the role of technology in improving the productivity and performance of the organization. Access to new technology has enabled the employees to do things faster with precision and has helped in discouraging workplace distractions, thus raising productivity. It has also helped in cost management. Improving profitability is the ultimate goal of every company. Due to innovative technological softwares, companies are now becoming physically fit, as these innovations are providing to be more cost effective. Every workplace has some core task that needs dedicated people to handle it. It needlessly keeps the cost high. This cost can also be reduced by installing the tools in the workplace. Through various tools, we can eliminate the manual handling of a task by automating wherever possible and focusing on the integration of different tasks. Not only the automated process gives more accurate results and help keep every record with its date and time mentioned. This way, they are easy to be recalled for any business purpose. This overall management of cost at different levels provide better profitability by reducing the cost. It also helps in keeping the business secure. Business workplace at its every level demands a great level of security for its safe running. Technology plays a vital role in doing so. It provides an end-to-end hardware and software-based data encryptions so that only authorized parties are able to retrieve and redeem. Fingerprints, facial recognition features gives an added level of security to the system at the workplace. The companies are using innovative technologies and implementing security softwares and algorithms to make sure that sensitive information is accessible to the right person and is protected from malicious hacking attempts. Given customizing options, technology has made it possible to customize any software according to the various business needs. Businesses are now using such softwares to manage their day-to-day operations. One such software that is becoming popular in modern place is facility management software. Whether large or small, every business workplace has its own way of doing things for achieving their goals. For that, they need a kind of technological support that suits their style of working, and the customizable software is able to provide those services. Increasing collaborations. Technology has completely changed the way companies collaborate. Technology has helped us connect with people anywhere at any time. This increased collaboration has brought a high level of flexibility in communication that allows employees, co-workers and managers to connect with each other easily. As employees can now connect and communicate no matter where they are, this has helped in encouraging teamwork, mutual understanding and bonding between the employees. Improved level of collaboration also helps leaders and managers to stay in touch with their employees and manage them better. Increased collaboration on project has enabled the companies to keep their clients updated on their project performance and progress. Reducing the risk of security and breaches, stealing critically and important information was easy in the past. But now with the use of technology, the threat of data thefts and leaks have been reduced. Proper security measures are being implemented in workplaces that helps in keeping important information safe. It has also become easier to keep a check on the employees' online communication and activities to ensure that they don't get involved in any practice which is against the interest of the company. As employees know that they are being watched all the time, their likelihood of getting involved in any wrong practice is reduced. Improving the efficiency of the employees. Time management is important in any modern workplace, as poor time management can cause deadlines to be missed, leading to an unhappy client. Time management has now become easier with the help of modern technological tools. These tools have helped in optimizing the daily working routines and enabling the employees to focus on the most important tasks. This helps in increasing the efficiency of the employees, allowing them to meet the deadlines and eventually result in client satisfaction. As technological advancements have reduced the amount of time and effort spent on daily activities, employees can now spend more time on creativity and developing new ideas. Enabling remote working, new technology has enabled remote working, teleconferencing and co-working spaces, which has completely reshaped the modern workplace. Mobile and cloud technology has moved instant and remote access, which enables internet-based services models. This has resulted in interconnected workplaces, no idea or does not tied to one locations, but to many. They are hinged together by virtual conferencing, complete connections and portability. Cloud technologies and improved IAM systems have helped employees to work from anywhere with the click of a mouse. Video conferencing has made it possible to coordinate with best employees no matter where they are. Now let's look at some of the tools of technology used in business communication. The first one and the most used one is the internet. You can understand the importance of internet in business by invention of digital marketing, internet banking and e-commerce business models. The internet is providing great benefits for business communications. The internet is the easiest way for a business to connect with customers and clients. The business organizations is using high-speed internet to speed up the productions. And now, how the internet is being used in businesses. Companies are getting customers' data and buying habits and creating marketing strategies based on the analysis. New and innovative online business models are coming up. Everyone is searching for online business ideas. People are working from home for companies around the world. Business information is fastest than ever. So you can see from all of this that the internet is now the backbone of an offline business to sell online. And the internet is a heart for all online business. Internet technology invented new methods of doing business. The internet is important for business development. Internet technology provides powerful communication and marketing tools. The internet is a new bazaar in which you can find online shops, online degree programs and a lot more. You can browse various educational and business development websites, management services platforms anytime and anywhere. Internet in the role of business successor. It's an important that internet is important to make a business successful. The internet helps business to grow, achieve goals and become successful in their competitive market. Marketing is important in business, and in this case, the internet is the first and the most important marketing tool business owners are looking for. The internet provides great benefits for entrepreneurs to create a business infrastructure based on customers' data and information. Business success is impossible without the internet in the modern era. The internet transformed education, communication, and method of receiving and giving data. Internet technology provides great data management sources for businesses to launch unique and creative solutions for customers. Email marketing, social media customer support, Google Hangouts, Skype chats, and other applications are providing great ROI for the businesses. Doing business without realizing the importance of internet marketing, communication, and data management will make it tough to become successful businessmen in this century. A 21st century entrepreneur understands the benefits of using the internet for business development and conducting daily business operation. He knows the importance of internet in business, internet marketing, and customer data management. Following are the benefit business owners can get by executing internet applications in the business. Internet marketing and advertising is the most accessed part of the internet by the business. Internet plays an important role to advertise and market products and services around the world to more customers. The internet is important to communicate with customers about products and services. The internet is a global village and gives a chance for business owners to take benefit of online advertising that is less costly. Internet advertising and marketing is affordable for all kinds of small and big businesses as compared to traditional marketing costs. Businesses can reach a wider audience and geographical locations by use of Google AdWords, Facebook ads, content marketing, YouTube videos, etc. Internet is an essential tool for business to do product surveys and testings. Business research is really important to get data related to target customers, trends in markets, interests, and information about the competitions. The internet helps the business to obtain data and analyze the information to create better and effective products. Marketing plans before investing money in the product development. The internet helps business to test and collect the data behind the idea of products and the services. Internet platforms help the business to sell products and services online. Selling online is the biggest benefit of the internet for big and small businesses. Selling online is less costly with a high level of value marketing. The cost of setting up an online shop or an e-commerce website is less expensive than a physical store. Internet helps business and e-commerce website to automate selling and transactions process. Selling products via the online store is not only beneficial for one business, but it helps third-party business services such as couriers, content marketers, graphic designers, payment gateway services, etc. also. E-commerce industry is growing day by day, and even small business owners are generating high revenues for the business in few months. The cost of maintaining and starting e-commerce stores and selling online not only helps to sell, but also business owners can track their best marketing and advertising efforts and channels. This will not only help to sell more, but it also helps to sell the right product to the right customer based on the interest. The biggest example of a successful e-commerce utilizations are Amazon.com, Alibaba.com, Flipkart, Paytms, which are generating high revenue profits and less costs. With this, we now talk about another tool, which is intranet. While intranet might be a term you aren't too familiar with, but almost everyone in the working world has intranet experience. A company intranet is a private website or a digital area designed for sharing internal information and communication. Intranets help organizations store information, share news, and document resources for workers at a corporate and sometimes department or team level. Intranet were first introduced in corporate environment during the digital advancement of 1990s. During their first initial launch, the intranets were an amazing resource. Employees finally had an easy way to access important company information without having to file out paperwork or physically hunting down the information. Intranets were originally created to simplify the work process and make company resources easily available. And with only outdated or workaround tools primarily available, employees need a centralized workspace more than ever. Effective intranet are in some ways even more important now than they were in the past. A modern intranet embraces how employees work today and switch seamlessly from a desktop to tablets to smartphones to laptops and every other digital device in between. interactive intranets are perfect for traditional office workers, remote employees, or even frontline associations. So having said this, how do we choose the right intranet? The modern intranet helps business stay productive, engage employees, and even encourage brand loyalty. But it's important to choose the right fit for your organizations. While distinct business differences like this size, industry, personal style will influence your extra needs or exact needs, every well-designed intranet should share a few foundational features. Effective intranet needs to connect all companies' employees in both traditional top-down leadership style with horizontal peer-to-peer communication. Straightforward communication with any employee enables workers to quickly find answers, offer input, participates in projects, and collaborate more effectively. They enable every employee to have a voice. Connective intranets also help employees develop friendships and create an inclusive environment, which according to some studies has a stronger influence on workplace happiness than a person's actual professions. So what are the intranet benefits your employees can experience? The first one is it gives voice to everyone. Modern day employees list feeling undervalued as their second highest stressors at work. Employees want to engage and to be fully invested, but when supervisors resist employee involvement or suggestions are ignored, employees eventually stop trying. Their original ideas of making a difference quickly wear away, and they simply stay quiet and do their work until they eventually get burned out and move on. Only 30% of the employees feel they are engaged at the work, and 42% of employees are happy with the recognition they receive. Thankfully, this attitude is changing largely due to intranet and other team collaboration tools. A social intranet benefits employees by ensuring that everyone has a chance to contribute in a safe, open, and collaborative environment. Employees who may hesitate to share in public settings or may be unable to participate due to distance or schedule can actively and regularly contribute and collaborate with teams and individuals all over the company. Intranet in turn also creates a more creative and engaging work environment that gives every employee the voice they deserve. Intranet also helps in creating a company community. The intranet benefits your companies and employees by becoming the social space you need to create a healthy company community. Intranet connects co-workers and colleagues that might not normally interact due to distance or work schedule. It fosters an environment of working with each other towards a common goal, builds a place for teams to overcome and accomplish tasks, and increases workplace collaboration and success. It also helps in increasing the employee confidence. An engaging and thriving employee intranet benefits employees, providing them with the tools, help and resources they need to work successfully and improve their workplace confidence. Recent studies have shown that low workplace self-efficacy or an employee belief that he or she can accomplish a job or task successfully is directly related to increased job burnout and workplace dissatisfaction. When employees know how to find the resources they need to perform their tasks, workplace confidence, happiness, and productivity increase. Self-efficacy studies have also found that confidence in the workplace is directly related to trusting and encouraging leaders by providing an environment where the workers can achieve their results independently. Intranet offers employers exactly that environment. Information on the company intranet is up to date, easy to find and accessible at any time, giving employees the tools they need to find answers for themselves. Creates an atmosphere of trust and avoid the anxiety and encouragement of over-the-shoulder micromanagement. It also helps build brand champions. A brand or a company, much like a person, has a specific voice, style, and even personality. Every brand is a little different, and having a clear and consistent brand is crucial to success. Brands tell people both inside and outside of the organization who they are, what they stand for, and establish a relationship of understanding and trust. People work for and buy from brands because they like who they are and know what to expect. When someone appreciates and enjoys a brand and naturally shares it with the others, he or she is known as a brand champion. Companies, of course, want their employees to be the brand champions, and intranets are the perfect way to make that happen. A company intranet lets you communicate your brand standards, goals, and personality traits, and allows employees an open and collaborative space to share how they contribute to that vision and perspective. An intranet ability to create a community also helps employees feel included and see where they fit into the big brand family. This helps with everything from onboarding to sales to employee engagement and company culture. So having said this, I come to the end of our second part of the impact of technology on business communication. I hope there was a great depth insight of this and you are benefit with this video lecture. Thank you so much.